Okay, so Funmit sent me some air filters for your refrigerator. There's I don't know specifically what refrigerators they're meant for. I'll go over the list and try to mention those beforehand, but this looks to be a 3-pack, and taking a look at them, there's this kind of centerpiece. It looks like kind of a windmill turbine. That's not very helpful or important, but so there's the filter parts. They're wrapped in plastic. There's doesn't look to be any instructions, but I would have to imagine that they're pretty easy to install. I'll check the product listing very quickly before I end, but from what I saw, these are intended to help, of course, filter your air, help like bacteria and diseases not get into where your food is. One of the big things that they kind of promote or say that these should be helpful for with their like pictures and whatnot is it's supposed to help keep food longer. So like fruits and vegetables, specifically kind of that organic stuff, should last a bit longer with these. So let me check that product page. So nothing too specific on like, well, I guess too detailed, but they had some pictures that gave kind of an idea, and it does look like it's as detailed as like sliding the old one out and putting the new one in. And I would be surprised if it has to stay in the plastic. So, but other than that, just reading off the ones that, or the refrigerators that these are meant for, I guess the PureAir AF2, and then I think, that actually looks like it's it, or I'm not a refrigerator expert, that's just what the product listing says, but but, maybe what you could do, I think if I could recommend what I would do, is I would go to your refrigerator, find out what model or make it is, find out where the air filter is, and see if these would match. Do I have a quarter? Yeah, I do, for size comparison, or to help you figure out how big these are. There's a quarter. Anyway, hope this gave you some insight, and I hope that these can help you, get some better air in your refrigerator.